Hello? 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 Absolute wanker.
Hang on. Happy Halloween. This house is not practical in trick-or-treating this year. Oh, come on! You have one job! This candy's not selling any candy. This house is not selling any candy. You have one job, house. All the one job. You get nothing of me. Let's see.
Man. Fucking stupid place to have a fucking hanging basket. Come here. Kid, I'll shag your mum. You little silly cunt, come here. Kid, I'll rape you. I'll rape you. I'll rape you. And I'll get your mad other sisters. Come here. Hey, mother, look your bad man, look at it. You know, what? I'm a fool. Ugly lady.
Stupid ass boy, your ass eat nicotine gum.
Boy, you like you smoke 3K, not OGK.
Boy, your ass look like you trying to stop smoking cigarette by smoking cigarette.
Teen corn face ass.
Boy, your ass was smoking black mild down to the filter. I'm talking about the ass end part. Your ass look like you smell like tank meat. You know what tank meat is? That's the little piece of part there between the ass and the pussy. That tank meat, your stinking funky ass.
How'd you eat it eating ass?
Boy, your ass built like a domino.
Boy, you built like a Ford Fruit.
I'm talking about the big six too. Big six body ass.
V18 looking ass.
Boy, you look like you came with your own head like stupid ass nigga.
3 times 18 don't know what the fuck it is, bitch.
Hey, your mama almost named your ass shoulda.
Coulda, woulda.
Cause your ass shoulda been on the wall.
And you coulda been the shit.
You were wasting that, boy. I would've put your ass in the corner so fast.
In a dish.
Stupid ass, boy. They need to reverse your birth. Ugly ass, boy. I bet you ain't got number 3 teeth in your mouth that's some good, and them bitches ain't no good.
Ugly ass, boy.
Boy, your goddamn teeth like wire cutters.
Ugly ass, boy.
Them bitches like little, one size fit all.
Stupid ass, boy.
Boy, come to you though.
Right now.
Bitch, don't call me for no Molly no more.
What no say?
Go over there to Kobe and get them all killing them characters. I know they tired of his ass. Sick and tired of him. The whole family tired of you and Kobe. Y'all might well move in together. Stupid ass little boy.
The Gardens.
Both of y'all look like y'all smell the same.
Boy, you like a snail from the garden.
Y'all niggas look like y'all pick y'all fingernails and put them in your ass.
It's like he eat dude backward.
Then you can't fix on a car. Oh, big ass mechanic.
And you can't spell shit.
But your ass can't fix on them motherfucking kid toys and stupid ass.
Fisher Price.
But for criminal, I'm gonna buy your ass a slingshot.
I'm buy
your ass need to be somewhere around here and shooting bottles.
Bitch, I'm biting my wife.
Boy, your ass look like you work for Fed.
Boy, you like your motherfucking breast from like ass.
Boy, you still cable and the cable free.
Ooh.
Yo. Bitch, quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. I know you right here watching this shit. Quit fucking playing with me, G. Quit fucking playing with me. Unlock the fucking door. Unfucking lock the door, G. Bitch, you put me, I've been outside on the fucking streets all fucking day. Bitch, I'm ready to lay down. Stop acting stupid.
What are you doing? The key's in the letterbox, you fucking fat cunt.
I love you.
Hurry up and get in, you fucking knob.
Where are the keys?
In the letterbox.
What do you mean in a letterbox?
Key in there, yeah? Top.
Get your key. Get your key. You got a piece of Connor. John's a fucking pervert.
I do want to go to the gym, but I always notice I'll be like, we'll go tomorrow, and I really need a fart. I was just like, what? Well, that's
Alex, let's go.
yes, you do.
Oh, you cheating on your husband? This is my son. Oh, yeah, that's not being in people's business. What?
Okay, I got a ring doorbell, got your faces! No, can't.
I'm right sorry, Scofield. My brother lives at number 11. No worries. I'm right sorry, Scofield. I just wondered if you like money or...
I don't know, love.
Too small, but...
No.
I'm right sorry, Scofield.
No worries.
Catch a grenade for ya. Jump in front of a train for ya. I would do anything for you. Mommy's not getting those.
That's all carried out, mate. You can go and bloody fuck himself. You can go and bloody fuck himself. You can go and bloody fuck himself. Fuck
Come on. Go on.
Hello?
Get in the house.
Oh, sorry. This is the excuse for being home so late. It is 12:05. I copped off.
You copped off.
I copped off.
With who?
It was a Pakistani.
Okay.
And his name was Murad. Al-Murad. He said he was a tiler. But it's a bit of a fucking dirty cunt. He said, I'll put some stockings on for you. I said, no, it's not Christmas yet, and I'm none of that. But then what he also said to me was, what did he say? He's a homosexual, by the way, but he identifies as a pig. But I said, no, I want a bacon sandwich in the morning if I'm staying with you. I says, no, I don't do bacon because it's not allowed. So I said, well, I'm not staying then. But then I said, listen, my woman is at home waiting for me, and she's fucking tanned herself to make herself look like a dry roasted peanut. Says, I'm going home to her. She's fucking no good to you.
Come and get your peanut then, baby. I'm up here. The door's open, you dick.
Oh, cheers. Coming in.
Bye.
Porta potty pull up on shit smelling ass.
Hey, look at Carlo in there, trying to act like he ain't in there.
Hey.
You in there with somebody girl and they kids, bitch. Fuck it.
Open this goddamn door. I think it's mine.
Call Noah.
What that goddamn?
I'm gonna go get Noah. We can be outside crying. There's fucking trouble right about here.
Oh shit. On some.
Bitch. Fuck, nigga, you think you scared? Alright.
You like?
Now don't come behind me when I pull off, bitch.
And don't call the fucking phone.
Don't come out that door, cause I know your poor ass in there down to your last rock and your last cigarette.
I need a poke. Come out the damn door.
Let go. Poor ass, bitch.
Post that.
Hold on, you know what?
Boy, you smell like a motherfucking burnt up, break ugly ass boy. You like a motherfucking...
No, little stupid ass boy. Yeah, baby with SOS pad, boy.
Ooh, shit.
Hell no, you gargle your mouth with bleach, stupid ass boy.
Boy, you thought white so black so ugly ass boy.
A little bit of ass teeth in your mouth like them new Tic Tacs, stupid ass boy.
Bitch so dirty like oil when you get out the tub.
I bet you pull your pockets out, you pull another pocket out.
Ooh, shit, bitch full of lint ugly ass.
Broke ass, your back pocket touching your side pocket.
I bet you got 75 cents in a space roach in your pocket. No more talking.